going to show you how to make a healthy and colorful sushi roll sandwich with beetroot. Let's get started. To make this we need beetroot boiled and grated, butter, cheese, bread, cucumber and carrot sticks, salt and pepper. First, add the butter and cheese. Add some salt and pepper for taste. Now let's mix it up. I have cut the corners of the bread. Now let's flatten them. Let's spread this mixture. Now let's put some carrot and cucumber sticks. Roll it up. Now let's cut this. Now our sushi roll sandwiches are ready. It's so delicious. Please try this at home. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button.